Hello, dear children. Welcome back to Uma Talks. And here today, I'm with a note making passage. Okay, other passages you must be doing where questions and answers are asked. Okay, now with this, actually, we are going to do note making. Okay, so note making passages. This is actually asked in 11th and 12th. So with this, just continue seeing it because I'll be sharing one example. I'll explain with an example as well. Okay. So whatever you read, children, it's very difficult to remember everything. Okay. So finally what we do is we make notes. Okay, and when we read some books or some chapters, okay, whatever important points are there, we prepare notes and we keep it with ourselves, and whenever we have to revise, we just go through it and we know what is there in the chapter. So here there are some ways, mechanics. Okay, so what all you have to follow, that we are going to deal with. So the first thing is that heading and subheading. Okay, so heading and subheading, what I advise is that do not read the complete passage altogether. Go paragraph wise. So when you read paragraph wise, it will be easier for you to make notes. So the first paragraph, keep a heading for that, and whatever it deals with, write it in 1, 2, 3 points. Okay, so you can write for the first paragraph 1 and then ABC with the subheadings. Okay, you can use abbreviations, not complete words. Okay, whatever words are there, the keywords, for them you make abbreviations for yourself and use symbols. Okay, and then IE and all that symbols also. And then the note form, yes, the complete form you have to use. Then numbering and indentation, as I said, main headings according to the paragraph, it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, subheadings ABCD or small 1, 2, 3, 4 you can write, and the subheadings, if any, for them also you can mark, but everywhere the headings and the intentions must be there. Now what are intentions? Suppose we give a title, okay, and then heading. So A, B, C, D. Okay, this A, B, C, D you can see, and after that for the second paragraph A, B, C, D. So this A, B, C, D must be following a sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4 will follow another sequence. Title, the main title for the complete passage. What I advise is, children, first go through the whole of the note making. Okay, whatever the paragraphs are there, and then you'll come to know what the title must be, and then write a title, a suitable title for that. Okay, so this is the rules, the ways, okay, which must be followed for note making. And in the next, I'm sharing another passage with you and the solution to it. You'll understand it better, and if you follow it, it will help you to fetch marks. Thank you. Okay, children, so this is the passage. Okay, passage about conversation. So this the passage I'm not reading out for you, you can just check it. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to do the first paragraph. Okay, and then the notes you have to make for the first paragraph. Okay, conversation is indeed the most teachable of all arts. So the first heading can come into conversation hyphen the most easily teachable art. तो टीचेबल के लिए भी आप TCH मैं दिखाऊंगी आपको कैसे करना है. So that way it can be done. So this is the whole paragraph. Just check it for yourself. I'm just focusing it so that you read it. Okay. So this is your paragraph. This is a paragraph. Okay, so what you have to do is, now come over here. Now just check the question. Question is, on the basis of your understanding of the above passage, make notes, okay, on it using headings and subheadings. Got it? And the other one, write a summary. Now check, children. Title, he has given the art of conversation and then starts the notes. आपको यूं ही करना है. Okay, so A part का title आपने दे दिया, उसके बाद topic wise, paragraph wise आपको notes बनाने हैं. So first topic, okay, conversation, short form of conversation, that is abbreviation, CUNV apostrophe N, the most. Okay, so that way, and the sub parts, whatever it deals with, required, interesting subject, hobbies. Okay, सब कुछ short में लिखना है. You don't have to write sentences. Okay, you can see. Second is talk about other fellows, intention or hobby, and then winning, WIN', reputation as good conversationalist. Okay, you can check it. और थर्ड के सब पार्ट्स हैं तो उसने गुड फेलोशिप, ओके, ब्रांड माइंड एंड चार्मिंग विट, सो दैट ब्रिलियंट माइंड, ओके. उसके बाद सेकंड पैराग्राफ का, ठीक है, and third paragraph. In this particular thing, abbreviation is not mentioned, but you get marks for abbreviation. I've just written for you. Okay, so you have to write it like that. और जो भी आप abbreviation बनाते हो उसको use करना होगा. तो CONV''N conversation के लिए RUQD required, WIN''G, उस तरह से बहुत सारे हैं, मैंने यहाँ पे underline किया हुआ है, talking, unhurting and all that. Okay, so this is the first part. Then we come to the second one. Second 80 words में आपको summary बनानी है पूरी paragraph के. So this is the summary. Okay. So just the gist, you don't have to copy the whole paragraph, the lines from there, you don't have to do anything like that. So I hope it's very, very clear, children. I'm focusing on everything once again. Okay, the title, abbreviations, symbols, okay, intentions. You can see intentions, I told you, okay, कि ये मैटर करेगा, एक साथ आना है, ठीक है. So thank you children, thank you all, thank you for watching, thank you so much.